Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a tasty and super simple fish masala. Here are the ingredients. I will be using tilapia, boneless fish fillets, and you can use any fish you want. Just if boneless fish is there, it's much better. I am using 1 large tomato and 1 large onions finely chopped, 1 small teaspoon ginger garlic paste, small bunch of coriander, and I'll be using kalonji and ajwain. These are the two ingredients, important ingredients, and then haldi powder, half teaspoon, 2 tablespoon, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, pepper powder, and salt. In a pan, I will be adding 5 tablespoons of oil. To that, I'm going to add ajwain and kalonji. Both these ingredients will give a nice aroma which will be very nice in fish gravies. Almost all the fish gravies you can use these. This will take away the fish smell. Now I am adding onions, chopped onions. Onions has to be fried nicely. You can add some salt to these onions. That will help the onions cook faster. Onions has to be cooked until it is brown, dark brown. I am adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You have to fry this also until the raw smell is gone. Now I am adding haldi powder, turmeric, half teaspoon, and chili powder, 2 teaspoons, and half teaspoon of pepper. We'll be frying it again. Roast all the masala. Do not burn the masala. Immediately you have to add the chopped tomatoes. I have chopped the tomatoes very fine. That will give nice sauce to the gravy. Fry it nicely. Add just half cup of water and cook it with lid on it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes until the oil oozes out. See, the masala is nicely fried. We have to keep in mind that before we add the fish, the entire masala has to be fried, cooked nicely. I'm mashing the masala so that I get nice sauce in it. I'm adding extra salt. When I tasted, it was a little less. I'm adding even half cup of water. I'll be frying it nicely again. I'm adding a little bit of coriander. It will infuse more flavor in the gravy also. Let's add the fish. This fish is very delicate, gentle. Very slowly we have to just fold into the masala. After it's cooked, it will just easily break because it's very soft and gentle fish. Now see, I see a little extra liquid, so I am leaving on high for just 5 minutes so that the liquid will evaporate. Now the masala is ready. It's ready to serve. Fish masala is ready. I am serving it in my lunch on the side of brown rice and spinach gravy. This fish masala is very tasty, delicious. Do try. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.